Morning, children. I hope you all are studying properly at home. Generally, we don't make a copy for EVS, but during this lockdown period, we will make one copy for EVS. You need to make a new 4-line copy for EVS. Copies are available in some of the grocery shops. In case you are unable to arrange, use your old copy. Those who have books with, they will underline hard words in the book only and exercises you will do in your book. Those who don't have will maintain a copy. This one I have made for your help. In the first page of this EVS copy, first of all, you will be writing your name, class 1, section you know very well, roll number. You will get when you will come back to school. Your teacher will be giving you subject EVS. Now leave this page, come over here. You will be writing date at the top, chapter 1 about myself. Then you will write hard words in the middle. Then you will start writing all the hard words from the chapter. Those who have book will be underlining it in the book. Number 1, HELL, hello. Number 2, FRIENDS, friends. Number 3, PARENTS, parents. BROTHER, brother. DELHI, Delhi. SINGING, singing. DANCING, dancing. PAINTING, painting. MOTHER, mother. So these all words you will copy once more over here. HELLO, hello. FRIENDS, friends. PARENTS, parents. And BROTHER, brother, in this way. And you will be drawing a line in the middle of the copy. Numbers should be given very properly. And you will use all small letters, but you mark one thing, I have used capital D over here. You know why? Because this is the name of a place. Whenever we write the name of a place or name of a person, we use capital letter. Like when you will be writing your name, you will start with a capital letter. This is one exercise from your book, like paste your photograph and fill in the blanks. You have to write about yourself over here, myself. You have to paste a picture over here of your, then you have to write your name. You will start your name with your capital letter. You will write your age. You will write your class, like you are in class 1. Section you will be writing. School. Now which school? Yes, Kerali school again. K you will write capital because Kerali is the name of a school. You will use capital K. My best friend. So you will be writing your best friend's name over here. Now come to this question. Question number 2. Are you a boy or a girl? So I told you that day only. If you are a boy, you will be writing I am a boy. And if you are a girl, you will be writing I am a girl. So I am leaving a blank over here. You will decide yourself whether you are a boy or a girl. And then you will be writing over there. Whenever you write a sentence, always starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. So now our next question is, where do you live? So where do you live? You all live in Ranchi. So as you all are studying in Ranchi, your school is in Ranchi, you are living in Ranchi. But if I'll ask you to write your location, you will write I live at, here you will be writing your location where you are belonging to, like Harmu, main road, or any other place where you are belonging to. Okay? Now I know. So after going through the chapter, students, we came to know that we all are different from one another and we have our own likes and dislikes. So some of the parents are inquiring about exams. EVS exams will be conducted orally. Students need to go through the chapter properly. They need to learn spellings and learn important points from the chapter along with exercises given in the book. And please go through the campus care for the given assignment. Thank you.